A powerful resource for Microsoft Excel is the use of formulas to analyze and manipulate the data that's inside the worksheet. So as you're in the worksheet and you have data, you need to do stuff with it. So I can take this column and I can do formulas on that. So maybe I want to sum these to find out how much it is total. I can highlight a cell where I want that formula to be, and I can hit equal and sum. And a menu comes up for what kind of things are related to that. And I'm going to say sum, and it's going to give me an area where I can say what it is. So I can click here. I want to sum between this and this. So I go there, colon, there. And then I close parentheses and hit enter. And now it sums that. I can also do it a lot easier. Say I want to do the sum of this column. If I highlight that, up in the top right in the menu, in the ribbon, if I click on sort and filter, next to that is the sum area. By clicking on that, it automatically sees the data in that column and it automatically puts the formula in there. So all I have to do is hit enter and it will sum that column. Well, there's so many other formulas. Maybe there's something I want to do with this data. If I come down here, I can actually go to Formulas tab, and now we have the auto sum. So if I click on that, I can do the sum. I can also average that. I can count the different numbers or the maximum number or minimum number. So say I did average, enter that. If you saw what it was highlighting these. So let's undo that. Maybe I want to highlight these. So if I come in here and say average, see how it's going that way? Let's do that. By highlighting those, it changed the information in there. And I hit enter. And now it averaged these numbers instead of these because it's going to see the data next to it and make assumptions, make it easier for you. And in this case, it saw these where I wanted this. Now, I don't have to have the formula in this column to analyze this data. Maybe I want to put it off to the side. So here, I do average, and instead of doing all those, I want to do that same column. Enter. It's the same information because I told it to go through C4 through C6. C4, C6. Now there's many other different types of formulas you can have. If you noticed on the AutoSum, we had all of those. There's also financial formulas. There are logical formulas, text formulas, date and time, lookup and reference, math and trigonometry, and more functions, statistical, engineering, cubing, or just informational. So there's so many elements you can do with formulas. Some of the basics are the summing, putting that in there or averaging. Having an understanding of formulas will help you be able to transform the data and make very strong data hypotheses from the data that's in there. And that is formulas.